It showed up early in the way I stood, and the jaw set hard in the pull toward heat. Not borrowed, not taught, not stitched on for the crowd. Something old moved quietly through everything, waiting for the right hour to stop pretending it was small. I felt it in the chest under pressure, in the eyes when the room turns thin, in the calm that comes right before the strike. Lion blood, hot in the will. Lion blood, still and real. Lion blood, to kneel for show. When it wakes, the whole world knows. Lion blood, heavy and bright, born in the bone, built for the fight. Lion blood. No costume, no theater, no need to perform the shape of power. It's there. When the voice drops, there. When the